How to fix can't reply to an Instagram story. Check if replies are enabled. First, open the Instagram app and make sure the person who posted the story has enabled replies. Some users may disable replies on their stories, which prevents you from responding. You can check if replies are enabled by attempting to swipe up on the story. If you can't swipe up and see the reply option, replies might be disabled. Update Instagram. If replies are enabled and you still can't respond, you may need to update your Instagram app. Open the App Store or Play Store app on your phone. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the search bar. In the search bar, search for Instagram. If an update is available, tap Update. Updating the app often resolves these types of issues. After updating, open the app and try to check for the reply option in the story. Check if Instagram is down. If updating doesn't work, head over to any web browser and search for Down Detector. From the search results, select the first link. In the site search bar, search for Instagram. Now you can see a graph with the Instagram statistics. Here you can see if the site is down or up. If Instagram is down, you'll need to wait for them to resolve the issue. After some time, open the Instagram app and try to check the reply option in the story. If it is still not there, then restart your phone. Press and release volume up and then press and hold the side button until the slide to power off appears. Slide it to power off, and then press on the power button and on the device. Now go and check the reply option. And that's it.